Hey guys, how you doing? Ray here again. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it's Nitro Kyosho. Today I got another couple of upgrades for the Goblin here to show you. And I'm excited about these upgrades. I think that these are some of the things that should have originally came on this kit. I like where the company is going. You've heard me talk bad about some of the features of this helicopter. You've heard me talk good. You've seen some of the upgrades. And this is definitely one of the good upgrades that they did. And I'm getting a little bit more excited about where the company is headed. And they're starting to do things more along the lines of the way I think they should have been done from the start. So, first thing, and I'll take this off the pod and show you these things a little closer up or move this in. I upgraded to this new finned motor mount with the cooling fins on the top and bottom. This is the old one here. Okay, I think this is a lot more new and improved. I think it's going to help the cooling big time, and I really like that. I'm excited about trying that out. The other thing was getting rid of these, the servo mounts. They issued a set of aluminum, and if you look at these, you can see that the flex. These have flex in them, guys. The aluminum don't. Alright. So the new aluminum, I'll show you those a little bit closer there too. It's kind of hard to, you can see the edge of this one here, but it's hard because now this is all aluminum too. But I'll take this off the pod and show it to you in a second here. So the upgrades that I have done in the past were along the line. I did the upgraded heavy duty main gear, which it should have come with originally, the steel pinion one. I upgraded the screws on the skids. I have a video out about that. I have videos out about that and that too, so I'm not going to go into depth too much with that, guys. It's just a quick video. But I like where the company is headed. I like the things they're doing. They also released some 2mm thick side plate frames for this. That's nothing I'm really too interested in at this point. These seem to be fine. These are things that I like, that I upgraded, and I think they were necessities. The frame seems to be pretty good as it is. One thing I wouldn't mind seeing in the future from Sab, if you guys are listening, and I'm sure Lennox is already working on it, which I think would be kind of cool to help the skid design be a little bit better, is to make that battery tray out of aluminum and then have aluminum struts going into it, or plastic struts, but better than the ones that are there, stronger. Don't make them sacrificial, just make them be able to snap on their own, but have the bottom plate aluminum, which the only reason I'm saying aluminum, guys, is because I think it would help the design of the skids and the struts, which I'm not crazy about these struts, how they break so easily. But, you know, people tell me, they say, Ray, I love your videos because you're so honest. You tell it like it is. When there's something about a helicopter you don't like, you say it. And when they're doing good things that you like, you talk about that, and you really give honest opinions. You don't pull punches, and I try not to, guys. I really do. I mean, if a company's doing something good, I get excited, and if they're doing something I don't like, I talk about it, and I voice my opinion. But let me get this off the pod here. I'll try not to shake this thing and make anybody dizzy. Another thing I like about Sab is when they give you kits, like when they gave the new kits here, they gave all new servo screws, all new mounts. I didn't use them. I used all the old ones. They were in good shape. But they're not cheap when it comes to giving you the extras like that. The whole new set for all the servos and everything. The motor mount came with all new springs and the screws and the little washers and everything. So they really do good on that stuff. My hats off to you guys for that. Here's the motor mount. Okay, you can see there's fins on the top and actually fins on the bottom to throw some air down through that pinion. Okay, I like it. I think it's a great design. I think it should have been like that from the start. And let me show you shot of the metal servo brackets. It's kind of hard to identify them because everything else right here is aluminum now, and they're stamped with the Sab name underneath. There's a good shot of it. You can see the Sab. They are official Sab products. And one thing I'm waiting for too, which I don't really think is too much of a necessity, is the bell crank back here. I know that Lennox makes a metal one, but I'd like to get the factory original one. I would think that they should put a metal one back there too, just for a little bit more strength. And other than that, I'm excited with the new things this company is doing, and I think that they're going to just keep getting better. If you have any doubts about this helicopter, guys, just bring it out there and do yourself a forward flip, and this thing just lands like it's falling into a cloud. It really is an incredible handling helicopter, and it really does just, I mean, it is very, very smooth and very predictable, and it does handle like a you know, Mercedes if it was up in the sky, I guess, or a Cadillac, right? But anyways, guys, that's what I did, and hope you like it. Healy Direct, that's where I got these upgrades from, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.